Hello folks, so today I'm making a quick semi-homemade dinner using some store-bought vegetable mix that I picked up in my local store, and of course some ramen and a couple little things that I had lying around. The first thing I want to do is saute my vegetables, my onions and my scallions, and then I add my mushroom and my baby bok choy mix to the whole thing. And then after stirring this up and getting it incorporated, you want to add your store-bought vegetable mix. That's a saute vegetable mix that you just wash and clean it up and add it to it. It have carrot and kale and broccoli and other, cruciferous vegetables, and you're good to go right there. And of course, once you have done that, you want to boil your ramen, and once it gets to al dente stage, you add your ramen and you incorporate it. Now the vegetable mix came with its own sauce package, and so you just add your sauce package, and again you select the sauce that you like based on the vegetable that you're buying. All right, and this works. I promise you guys, it more than work. And of course, once you stir fry and get this incorporated, you turn off the stove because you don't want it overcooked. You understand? Here I'm adding some sesame oil just to finish up the thing and make the thing nice and Asian feeling and authentic. And then guys, I also boiled an egg. Yes, and you just boil your egg and you just cut it and add it to this because an egg make it nice. You understand? Normally the egg is supposed to be a little bit more underdone, but the wifey don't like it like that, so I made it hard boiled. All right. I also bought rotisserie chicken, and then I added my own sauce to the rotisserie chicken, and voila, you have a ramen, stir fry ramen noodle with barbecue chicken. And here I'm adding my own ginger orange beet sauce to the chicken, and I'm sprinkling some green onions. And guys, the food done, the food ready. Look at this. It's a quick and easy weekday meal under 30 minutes, guys, and you have something nice, authentic, delicious, and of course it never costs you a whole arm and a leg. Remember, tune in to Yardie TV on a weekly basis for more recipes, more innovative ways to get more bang for your buck and turn your hand and make fashion. And of course, it's gonna be delicious. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend about Yardie TV. We're here and we're doing it and we love it, and big up on yourself. Remember, me tell you.